Drivers, when handling the wipes, if those are what you have in your truck, please make sure to wipe down all parts of the truck that you come in contact with. You want to make sure to get the blinkers, the headlights, all knobs, steering wheel, locks, and the door handles. Make sure to get the seat belt, the radio, the heaters, and all buttons. If, however, you have the spray bottle with the bleach or with the sanitizer, please make sure you spray down all portions of the truck that you come in contact with and leave the spray on. Do not dry it off. It needs to stay in contact with the pieces of the truck to make sure that it gets the virus or whatever germs are on there off and kills them.